cracks of lightning, rumbles of thunder are a summer staple. But did you know it can also happen in the dead of winter? Well, thundersnow is a relatively rare phenomenon, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Lightning and thunder happening during snowfall. In a typical thunderstorm, the instability comes from hot air near the surface rising through cooler air aloft. In the winter, colder weather means that sharp temperature contrast is usually missing, so it needs a different force to help push it from the surface skyward.
So this is like almost blizzard. I did it. That is thunderstorm.
In Canada, that force can happen during intense lake effect snow or a powerful winter storm. With a lake effect, that temperature gradient comes from the temperature difference between the cold air blowing over the relatively warm water of the open lakes. The bands of lake effect snow can closely mimic the structure and intensity of a strong summertime thunderstorm, just with a much colder temperature. A strong low-pressure system in the winter can force the air upwards from the surface quickly. This quick upward movement of air causes instability in the atmosphere and the lift needed to produce thundersnow.
That is crazy.
Thundersnow can sound a lot quieter than its summer counterpart. That's because snow is an excellent absorber of sound and can muffle the rumbles during a storm. It takes a special storm to create thundersnow. Less than 1% of all snowfall events have associated thunder and lightning. It can be exciting to see, but the warning is still the same even in winter. When thunder roars, go indoors.